Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to another trading week, guys. We're about to get this thing started. It's officially the US session. Let's see what opportunities we can get, guys. Let's see what we can come up with today. Let me just plug our system in here so we can see exactly what's happening. There's a couple of things that have been happening, so I'm just gonna jump into it right now. So let's just have a look. Let's start with the big boys. Let's start with the US30. Okay, the US30 has already moved because of the impulse, but it's all good. It's all good. We're not going to be under pressure. You guys can see that it came in the London session, came down, hit TP, then now it came back up, gave an entry right there, and then just now when the market opened, it exploded and hit take profit one. Okay, but that's fine. That's fine. There's a lot of other opportunities there that are out there today. So it seems like it's going to be a very active trading week today. So let's just have a look at what else is going to be happening. So US30, we might still have an entry, guys, but let's just have a look at other entries if we can't. Oh, nice, nice, nice. You see, NAS 100, okay, it faked us out a bit. It told us that I thought it was going to come in and do like a buy entry, but it looks like it wants to push down. Looks like it wants to push down. Let's see what else is happening. SP500, you see SP500 looks like it also wants to push down. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Okay, let me hold on. Let's go back here. France 40 was going up. We had a buy signal earlier. It was going up now since the open happened. Seeing a push down. UK 100 is still looking like it's buying. Okay, there was this push down to the bottom. That's quite interesting. So the market is turning. Okay, it's turning. I thought that it was gonna go up, but you know how it is. You know how it is. You know how these things go. So let's just have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I'm trading with an equity of 2,000. The plan is to execute. Maybe we can execute with a small initial lot because it seems like there's a lot of fuckery happening right now. Seems like there's a lot of fuckery happening right now. But if G30 continues to go down the way it's going down now, if it continues to go down, guys, let's just enter. Okay, because that entry point is right at the 100 period moving average. If it continues pushing down, we sell. Okay, we sell. I'd say that we'd also sell NAS 100, but hey, I don't like that wick. I don't like that wick. But let's just have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look what's gonna happen. It looks like it's pushing down though. It looks like it's pushing down. Let's see if we can't catch it. Okay, here are the trades that we can focus on, guys. Okay, these are the trades that we can focus on. The G-Wagon. Okay, and SP500. Quickly put up SP500 real quick. Let's put up SP500 real quick. And then our entry point will probably be here. Our entry point will be there at right where it almost is right now. 45 to 45, 42, 45, 42. And let's have a look here. Stop loss can be here at 45.58. Okay, and then take profit is gonna be here 45.26. All right, so let's just have a look. Let's have a look, guys. Let me just make this blue. That's where we're gonna enter. Where it's blue is where we're gonna enter. Let's make it a lighter blue. Let's see what's happening here. Remember last week the market on Monday didn't really move that well. Okay, it only started making sense later in the week, like on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And the previous week we had movements from Monday all the way to Friday. So this week it looks like it wants to see what's up. Okay, so I think I'm going to enter into this SP500 trade, guys. You can enter it with me if you wanna. Those are the parameters right there. SP500. So on Veracity Markets, guys, this US 500 is actually SPX 500. Okay, other brokers it can be something else, right? So I'm gonna go into the micro lots, maybe with like 50 cents. Okay, going in with 50 cents, just opening up the trade right now. You guys are gonna see. Just putting in the parameters right now, but you have to be quick. 45.58.20 is the stop loss. 45.58.20 is the stop loss, and then the take profit is 45.26.10. 45.26.10. Okay, and then let's go in with a small lot initially, guys, so that If we see a push, right? If we see a push, okay, it's about 130 that I'm risking, so it's not bad. It's not bad. Let me just switch over to my other screen so you guys can see. Um, right there, that's the that's what it's looking like right now. The risk is like 130 bucks. Okay, we're actually opening up this one just to see what the market is gonna do, guys. Okay, the risk isn't that bad. Even if we hit a SL, it's not gonna be devastating because we have we're basically trying to see where the momentum is gonna go. Okay, but it looks like it's gonna go down. We might actually enter in more trades, but let's just be patient and have a look. Let's be patient and have a look. Let's be patient and have a look. I've got a feeling that US30 is going to continue going up. UK 100 might go up. And France 40. Let's just play the game, guys. Let's just play the game. Let's play the game. Let's play the game. Let's play the game. Hold on. Let me just see something here on NAS 100. We might go in there. We might go in there. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. I pressed the wrong button. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys. Just waiting for a bit. Interesting. 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 Quite interesting. This is definitely interesting. Let's see. Guys, hold on. But I'm still sticking with the SP500 trade because we got the entry right. Okay, we got the entry right. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. We got the entry right on the SP500. Okay, you guys can see the stop loss, right? You guys can see the stop loss. Let me go back to the system. Those are the parameters right there. The red line is the stop loss, and the blue line, the green line is the take profit level. Okay, I entered with a small lot so that we can see if indeed the market is going down. Okay, if it is, if we get into profit at some point, we add the positions, guys. And I think I'm gonna enter with a lot of 1.00 trades, so there might be 10 that I'm gonna open. Okay, and remember, these are the micro lots right now. I'm gonna be trading the micro lots on this. While we're waiting for this to develop, let's just jump to the other markets. Let's see what's happening. Let's go to the G wagon. Let's see what's up. Yeah, G wagon, guys. If the G30 continues going down, okay, if it goes down and then it breaks that sell there, I'm gonna enter more trades here. Okay, this is the one that I was actually anticipating. But let's just have a look, because you never know with these things. They try to play us out, especially in like the first 15 minutes of the open. We have um, a lot of fake movements at times. So we just have to be patient and just play this game like a pro. But right now, we are currently still in the SP500 trade. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. It's gonna help us to see what's going on. Okay, it's gonna help us to see what's going on. Open up 50 cents. Open up 50 cents. Open up 50 cents just to get a feel of which direction the market is gonna go, and it's gonna reveal itself soon, guys. Sometimes you just need to have that patience. You see right now, currently in drawdown like 65, and you know what the problem is? Sometimes you have to go in with a small lot initially, okay, so that you don't get caught by the pullback, okay? Because sometimes, like when there's momentum, the market pushes, like it really does push. Like imagine right now on this SP500 trade where we entered the trade right there, okay? Imagine if you maxed it out here at the bottom here. Imagine that. Now you would have been taken out because they still pushing. They pushing the price up and down. Okay? They're still pushing the price up and down, not really confirming anything. But in a few minutes we'll know what's gonna happen. Okay, so let's just be patient. Let's see what's happening. Look at this. Look at what they're doing. Look at on NAS 100 what they did. They just dumped it quickly. You see this wick? They just dumped it quickly. If we entered somewhere, maybe if we entered somewhere, they would be being slaughtered right now. Okay, because of that huge ass movement. US30, man. US30, my man. US30, my man. US30, my man. US30, my man. Wait, hold on. Let's see what's happening with US30. Doesn't hurt to look. It doesn't. It doesn't hurt to look. Let's go. looking very nice, I must say so myself. Okay, and then let me just give you guys a quick trade right now. This is a trade right here. We're gonna go into the US30 right now as well. Okay, here's a trade on the US30, guys. We can just buy it right now as it is. These are the take profit levels. The take profit that we're gonna go to is the green line at the top, and then obviously, like you know, our stop loss is that red line. Okay, so let's just go. Let's just get it. Let's get it. We'll deal with the rest later. Okay. That S&P trade hit our stop, but it's all good. We know what we're doing. We're not gonna panic. 34,805 is the stop loss. 34,8 is it 05, and then yeah, 805. 35,269 is our take profit. 35,269 is our take profit. Let's go. Let's see. Damn, how many trades did I open? Accidentally opened up more trades. It opened up double. But anyway, let's see what's happening. So we're in the trade as well, guys. We're in the trade. We're in the buy. Okay, we're in the buy on the now we're acting fast, guys, but we have to watch this market. We have to watch this market, guys. We really have to watch this market. When we get into profit, we have to shift the stop loss. Okay, we have to shift the stop loss. Interesting. Let's go. All right, and then let's go back to our SP. You see what SP is doing? Look at this. Look at that wick right there. All right, good thing we went in with a small lot. You see what can happen sometimes, guys. The reason why this happens is because you know, there's a lot of attention at the market open. You know, there's a lot of attention that happens at the market open, and they know that a lot of people are waiting for that volatility. That's why you'll see such things, you know, and sometimes you'll see such wicks and you'll see the price going back up. Okay, I wonder what's happening, if it's the technicals or whatever. But yeah, let's just hold. Okay, US30 right now is in profit. Okay, on my side it's in profit. Let's go. Okay, reconnection successful, guys. I got disconnected real quick there. Okay, I got disconnected a bit. Oh, we're looking nice. We're looking nice on the US30. We're looking nice on the US30. Currently up about 25%. Currently up 25%, guys. Who's with me in the trade? Guys, you need to act fast here. You need to act fast, okay? So since I got two trades open, I'm just gonna close one, right? And then I'm gonna move the stop. Move the stop loss to the entry, just for safety purposes, you know. I don't like this type of volatility, but anyway, let's go. I moved my stop to entry, and then let's write it out. Let's write it out. You have to be quick, guys. Here, you have to be quick. You have to be quick. Look at that. Now it wants to take out my other trade. Okay, let's go. But G30, guys, G30, if it triggers, look at this. If G30 triggers, right, wherever it triggers, take it. Okay, you don't have to wait for me. If you see G30 making a trigger to the top, take it. If you see it pushing down to make a trigger at the bottom, take it. Don't wait for me. You don't have to wait for me. That's a good signal right there. Either way it goes, it's a good signal. Okay, it's a good signal. It's a good signal. Okay, it's a good signal. I'm just going back in on my US30 trade. I'm gonna exercise a bit of patience now. Patience. Got 3 trades in there. Let's see how it goes, baby. Let's see how it goes. But anyways, let's have a look. But are you guys understanding what I'm saying? Am I not talking too fast? Because if I'm talking too fast, guys, just let me know. If you want me to explain a bit more what I'm saying, I'll be glad to just communicate with me. All right, just communicate, guys. Just communicate. Let's communicate. Let's communicate. But G30 is looking good. If you haven't entered any trades, this is what you can do, right? This is what we're waiting for right now. We're waiting to see what the market will do. Um, if the market comes up to this level here, okay, we take that buy, right? We take that buy. If the market comes up to 15,330, okay, we're gonna actually take that buy on the G30. All right, and then if it comes down, if it doesn't hit that buy, we're gonna take the sell down here. But you just have to watch and follow it, okay? You just have to watch and follow it. Okay, you just have to watch it and follow it. All right, just have to watch it and follow it and be patient just a bit, you know. But that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Are you with me? Who's understanding what I'm saying? Okay. Nice, nice, nice. But just keep an eye on this one. If you want to if you haven't jumped in on any trade, here's a trade right here. Here's a trade right here on the G30. On the G30. Let me just type it out for you guys. For those that aren't with me, okay. On Pepperstone, on this broker right here, G30 is G40. Okay, but on your broker it's probably G30. So right now, this chart that you're looking at, if it takes out that 15,330, that's a buy. Okay, that's a buy, and then we'll use the take profit one and the stop loss, okay, for our risk reward. You understand? Let's also have a look. Let's have a look. You see what SP500 is doing? Look at that wick. Look at that wick. Let's go down to the 5 minute just to release this indicator. Let's just see what's happening in the back. Look at that movement right there. Okay, look at that movement right there. Look at that movement right there. Nice. Nice. But let's not be intimidated, guys. Let's have a cool head. Let's have a cool head. Okay, France 40 looks like the power is to the upside. Okay, it looks like it's buying still. UK 100 is still buying. US 30 definitely buying. NAS 100 is being shady. Okay, because they had a quick push to the downside. All right, they had a quick push to the downside with a long ass wick. Okay, but we just have to have a cool head. All right, but what we're waiting for right now, let me just go back to see if it didn't trigger. You see what I'm saying? Keep an eye. If you've got the system loaded on your computer right now, keep an eye on the G30. Okay, if it triggers the buy entry, that's an opportunity right there. That's a nice opportunity for you. Okay, and then we're still holding the US30. I went in again, you know, just a bit crazy this time because you know, what the hell, you know. I went in a bit crazy now. I went in with like 3 positions on US30, and it looks like it's going good right now. But remember, guys, if you're trading independently as well and you're seeing that you're making profits, you can close them. You know, you can close some of the profits off and take some of the profits. You understand? Okay, or you can hold if you're confident. You can hold if you're confident. But then there's the setup. Our entry price was there at 3,500. All right, our TP is there at 35,269. But obviously, you have to exercise risk management also, guys, because this is the big boys. Guys, I'm telling you right now, keep an eye on G30. Keep an eye on the G30. What's a good amount to start with? It just depends on how much you can afford, man. You tell me, gents, like what is your risk capital? Okay, well, how much do you have to trade with? How much do you want to trade with? Because um, you know what they say on the stock exchange. They say that if you want to start trading, you need to have $5,000. You know that's what the professionals say is a good balance. Okay, $5,000. How much is that in rands? Okay, so it just depends on how much you can afford to trade with. And lucky for you right now, um, the some of the brokers in South Africa allow you to trade these indices with even $500. You can trade it, you know, but obviously you'll have to go on like micro lots and micro accounts and things like that. You know what I mean? But still, it just really depends on what is your budget, how much do you have to trade with, you know. Yeah, and you just take it easy like that, my man. Take it easy like that. You take it easy. You take it easy. Okay. Yeah, so you just need to determine that. You need to determine that. Like, you have to look at your own financial situation and be like, okay, I can trade maybe 5,000. Right? There's somebody who told me last week that he's gonna fund his account with like 5 or 10k, and then he's cool with risking that. Other people can't risk 5,000 rand or 10,000 rand. Maybe they might can afford to risk 500 rand or 1,000. Okay, it just depends on your. Another person can play around with 20,000, 50,000. So it just depends. But ultimately, it's the same thing. Yes, yes, it is. It still is a good buy. I'm still holding that thing. I'm still holding that thing. But I went in a bit dangerous light right now. I went in a bit dangerous. If you're in, guys, you can use you can go in with a small, like, it depends on how much you've got in the account. Okay, you can trade the MICs. If you're still new, guys, and you just want to see what's happening, 20 cents is good to start. Okay, 20 cents, 0.20 on a micro lot. Okay, that would be nice and safe. That would be nice and safe, 0.20. But if you want to live on the edge, um 1.0 is high risk. Okay, and then the median is 0.50, and then safe would be between 0.20, lower than that, like maybe 0.05 to 0.20. Okay, so you can decide, do you want to take high risk, low risk, or medium risk? Okay, it's up to you. It's up to you, my Nico. Okay, wait, hold on, let me show you the SL. The SL is there. It's quite far, né? So what I'd suggest is go in with a low lot. Okay, go in with a low lot. Maybe do 0.10 on a what do you call this thing, on micro, né? And then once you see it pushing, let's say maybe it shows you a consistent blue screen with some good numbers, then you're gonna add. Okay, if it continues going up, maybe you can add some more positions up here. You can add your positions up here at 35 148, because then you'll know that this thing is definitely going up. All right, are you with me? Talk to me, guys. Talk to me. Let's jump into this thing. Let's see. Let's make marandi, guys. Let's make marandi. you know let's make marandi. But it's a good guy. Low risk is between 0.05 to 0.20, and then medium risk is 0.50 on micro, right? And then high risk is 1.00. Okay, all right, all right. We together, y'all. We together. Are we together? And another thing, guys, that that can help, né? Like, to help you to have confidence in taking the trades. What I would suggest, or what I would do, all right, is I'd split my funds. Let's just say maybe you've got like, maybe you somebody who's got like 5 grand um to trade, right? So what I would do is I wouldn't just put that 5 grand into one trading account. Okay, rather I'd have open up separate accounts, like maybe 5 different accounts. Okay, you've got each account, and then you have maybe 1,000 into each account, right? So when we're in this type of situation, let's say you've got your 5 accounts just on standby, and you trade one at a time. Okay, and then while you're trading the one at the time, you know that, okay, now I'm trading and I'm risking the 1,000 out of my 5. You see, so even if I lose this 1,000, I still have 4,000 in total trading capital that I can still jump back into the markets with tomorrow, maybe, because sometimes you do miss it, because these things are highly leveraged, guys. Okay, right now on my account, I'm currently up 1,000. Hey, these kids, guys, if you have kids, hold on. Hey guys, what was I saying? Yo, my kids. But yeah, anyways, split the funds, guys. Let's say you've got 5,000 that you want to invest in, that you want to trade in. Okay, don't just put 5 into one trading account if you're gonna be trading the indices. Hey, the indices, they hurt, man. Like, that 5k can disappear if you make a mistake, right? So if you've got 5 different accounts and you split your funds maybe to 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, you know that each time you enter into a trade or you see a trade, you're only risking 20% of your whole trading capital. So even if you lose on that particular day, you only lose 20% instead of 100%. Okay, because this thing has power to take out 100% of your capital, right? So now, let's say you're even trading that 1,000 account, you know that you can even take a chance. You won't be afraid. Like me right now, I've opened up a lot of positions right now. Okay, the account is currently up by 50%. Okay, but then I know that even if maybe something wrong happens right now, I still have another trading account. Do you understand what I'm saying, guys? Do you understand what your brother is saying right now? Okay. So Veracity Markets, it gives you the option. You can open up, you can even have about 10. There's one guy I know, I went on his profile, he's got about 10 accounts. He's got 10 accounts, and that's how he's trading. That's how he's approaching it. Okay, because right now we're in deep profit, guys. We're in deep profit from entry. We're in deep profit. Okay. But that's how you must approach it, guys. If you've only got 2,000 to trade and you maybe don't want to risk that whole entire capital, maybe what you can do is you can maybe open up 500, like maybe 400 or 500 rand accounts, okay? And then you know that you're only going to trade um, the micro lots on the indices. You understand? That's what makes sense, all right? That's what makes sense, okay? That's what makes sense. All right. So you see right now, I went in again. I'm going to close those other two positions, all right? And then I'm going to put the stop at entry price, all right? I'm going to put the stop at entry price. Ish, guys, my kids keep bothering me, my bad. Okay. And then this way, this is how I manage the trades. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I just need to deal with something. But guys, shout if you want something, if you don't understand what I'm saying. Shout if you guys don't understand what I'm saying. Let me just explain it quickly while we've got time. Okay? But do you guys get the whole concept of splitting your funds, okay? Splitting your funds and having reserve funds to trade. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Because right now, I started this account with 2 grand, okay, and then now it's up 3 grand. So I made 1,000. Okay, now it just took out my stop loss. It took out my stop loss. But I think I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna go back in. Wait, let me just see what's happening on the system. Wait, hold on. This thing took out my stop at entry. Okay, but anyways, let's just see. If it just dips a bit, I'm gonna open up another trade. If it dips a bit again, or if it takes out this high. Takes out this high again, I'm gonna open up a buy. Hey, because the pullbacks are kind of annoying. Okay, but so far I've made 1k. Let's make another k. Who's still in the trade? Who's still in the buy? And what's your lot? How big is your lot? Let's see what's happening, guys. Let's communicate. Okay, while I'm waiting for you guys, let's see what's happening on the G Wagon. Okay, it touched the entry, but it's moving slowly. I don't know what these guys are, what game these guys are playing at. They know what's happening. I actually saw this UK 100 trade earlier in the London session. I took a video record of the screen, and then I'm gonna take another video recording of before and after, just to show some people how powerful this thing is. You understand? So okay, which brokers give you micro lots accounts? Veracity Markets. Let me just type it out for you, man. Veracity Markets. That's the one. The example would be maybe NAS100.mic. That's what you should actually be looking to trade. Nikhona bafethu. Nikhona. What's happening on this G-Wagon? You see, it's like they're just slowing it down. Alright, but you see, US30 now with their pullbacks. But re-entry at the top here. Because it hit my stop loss in profit. So I'm going to re-enter at 35,108. Okay? I'm going to re-enter buy at 35,108. Let me just put in a line. Let me put in a line there. And let's... Oh, shit. Okay, let's put in a line. Oh, man. Hold on, guys. Let's put in a line. Let's make it... let's make it... Okay. At 35,107 is where I'll re-enter for buy. Okay, we're just waiting for the pullback because they hit my... I had moved, like when I entered, right, the market went into profit, and then I shifted my stop to the entry price and closed some of the trades, and then now this pullback took out my stop loss and my positive stop. Okay, but when I re-enter again, guys, I'll let you know where to put the new stop loss. Okay, I'll let you know where to put the stop loss. All right, or maybe let's just open up a buy stop right now. Okay, let's just open up a buy stop at 35,107, and then the new stop will be... Okay, just watch my screen, guys. Okay, I'm gonna flip over to the other platform. Okay, I'm gonna flip over here, and then watch what I'll do. Okay, watch what I'll do is F9. Okay, and then I'm gonna open up a buy stop pending order. Okay, and here I'm gonna say buy stop. I'm still gonna go in with 50 cents because that's the risk I want to take today. And the entry price is 35,107. Okay, at price 35. Hold on, 35,107. We're improvising now, guys. 35,107, and then the stop loss is gonna be at 34,964. Okay, 34,964, and the take profit is gonna be where it's at 35,269. Okay, this is a pending order now. 35,269. A pending order is a trade that will only trigger once the price reaches a certain level. Okay, so this buy is only gonna open when the price reaches 35,107. Okay, it's gonna open automatically, so I'm just gonna place it and then it's in. Okay, so it's only gonna open up a trade automatically when it comes to this level here. Okay, and then my potential wins is 1.2. Yeah, my risk is also quite high. It's 1.1. Okay, so it's a 1:1 risk ratio. It's quite high, but I'm gonna be watching it. Okay, I'm gonna be watching it. Sometimes you need to take such risks, guys. Okay, it's what's required of you sometimes. Okay, it's what's required of you sometimes. Okay, are they in USD or ZAR? Look, you can trade USD or ZAR, man. That's all up to you. Okay, you can choose if you want to have a US dollar based account, or if you want to have a what do you call this thing, ZAR based account. Okay, you can even have other currency bases out here. Okay, you can have other currency bases out here. Okay, let me just modify the next trade now. Okay, so we basically want to be scalping now, guys, because you can see what this market is doing. So we basically need to use our experience. All right. Oh shit, where did I... Oh man, where was my stop loss? I think it was at 35. Hold on, let me just check. 35,107. Okay, our stop loss is at 35,107. 35,107. Ah yeah, am I right? I think I'm lying. No, I'm lying, guys. Our stop loss is at 34,964. My bad. 34,964. Okay, we'll just leave it there. That's what the new trade is going to look like. So we're basically going to be scalping now, guys, because of the indecision in the market. Ah, look, G30 has gone in. G30 has gone in. What did I tell you? G30 has gone in. What did I say, guys? G30 has gone in. Do you see it? Guys, I told you to watch G30. These guys. Going to TP. I told you, my niggas. Huh? Didn't I tell you? Guys, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You need to be proactive here. You need to be proactive. You need to be proactive. But anyways, let's stick with this one. I'm waiting for the re-entry here. And then once it triggers, my plan is to add more positions as well as it goes up. Okay, that's how I'm gonna take my 3K to 5K and then take my 5K to 10K. Okay, that's how you do it sometimes. But it's a bit, you have to have a plan. You have to have a plan, guys. You have to have a risk management plan. Okay, like I told you guys, if you split the funds, okay, then in that particular trading account, you know that the worst case scenario, you're only risking a portion of your whole entire trading capital, right? That's what gives you nerves. Because if you've only got one account, let's say you've got 10,000 in your account, okay, you'll probably be afraid to take the trade. You understand what a black man is saying? You'll be afraid to take a trade live, huh? And it sucks to be afraid to take a trade, and then when you check hours later, the trade has gone in your favor. Okay, so now basically when I'm trading, my trade just triggered, guys. So I'm risking my profit. The profit that I made is what I'm risking now. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that run. But guys, are you understanding how I'm doing things, or do you want me to explain some more? Okay, do you want me to explain some more? US 500 is in a isn't it? It's in a nice buy. It's in a nice buy, baby. It's in a nice buy. It's in a nice one. It's in a nice one. Okay, it's in a nice one. So all this fuckery here was just to fool us. Okay, but then now if you're in this one, um, when you see these things, guys, when you see these long tails, you must just be careful. Okay, because you don't want to get another tail to the top side as well. You see. So just be careful. And another reason why I have all these charts open, right? Because I want to see easier trades to take. Okay. Sometimes you'll find, like, you see, like SP 500 right now. If you were to rate this trade, it's not an easy trade because of the wicks of the foolery that's happening right now here. Okay. So it's like when you see this type of thing, maybe just rather look at the other indices like the G Wagon, the US30. See if there's nothing clear. Look if there's nothing clear. You see, if there's something, you see, like if maybe we had seen this when it started, we'd stick with this one. So always opt to go for the easier trades. Okay? Always go for the easier trades. Don't go for the difficult ones all the time. You don't have to always trade the NAS 100. Like okay, my go-to indice is the US30. But like let's say on a particular day the US30 isn't giving me what I need, okay? I'm obviously gonna look at other options, okay? I'm obviously gonna look at your NAS 100 or your G Wagon, okay? Guys, I told you. You mustn't say I didn't tell you. You mustn't say I didn't tell you. I told you about the G30. I told you. I told you to keep an eye on that, okay? But yeah, back to what I was saying, guys. You have to always opt for the easier, cleanest trades. Okay, if you feel like a trade is looking too complicated, jump over to the next one because I'm trading the indices, guys. Okay, I'm trading the indices. US30 is my go-to. NAS 100 is my go-to, right? But what happens now if you don't have signals on those two, or maybe it's not clear? What are you gonna do? Sit on your thumbs? No, man. You can look for better signals on the others. Okay, preferably you can start with the G Wagon. If the G Wagon has nothing, you go to UK 100. If the UK 100 has nothing, you can jump to Eurostox. If Eurostox has nothing, go to France 40. If all of those have nothing, then you can jump over to Forex. Okay, you can jump over to Forex if that's what you want to do. All right, if that's what you want to do. I'm making a nice profit on the US30 trade. I'm making a nice profit on the US30 trade. Your boy is making a nice profit on the US30 trade. Okay, guys, if you didn't understand what I was doing, nah, um, hit me in the DMs, okay? Hit me on the socials. Let's talk about today, because there's just too many opportunities today for you not to make money. You understand? This is one of those easy days, guys. Look at this. So now you see you're in profit now. So what I do is shift the stop. Why not? Why not shift the stop? Or close the trade. Okay. Okay, I just closed it and then open another trade with a smaller lot. I just secured that profit, guys. Okay, go in with a smaller lot and 35,269. Okay, you have to. It's a game, guys. You know, it's a game. It's a game. It's a game. It's a game. You know, 35,269. You understand? It's a game, guys. It's a game. It's really a game. This is a game. All of this is just, you know what? What's that guy's name again? Dick Gregory. He's like, it's a game, man. You know that guy. It's just a game. 35,269. It's just a game, guys. It's literally just a game. Okay, and then you have to treat it like a game. Okay, and I'm here trying to help you guys. Okay, I'm trying to help you guys also to make the Zim dollars. You understand? That's what we're trying to do, guys. You see these things, guys. No, guys, must give credit where credit's due. You understand? Okay, US 500, nice entry right there, brother man. Nas 100, I'm inclined to take a buy here. Nas 100 is a buy. I repeat, Nas 100 is a buy. It's a buy. You can use the TP stop loss levels. Okay, US30, we're still holding it to the top. Let's see what Nas 100 is looking like on the okay, if you're still on the US30 trade, guys, just shift the stop loss to entry. Okay, shift the stop to entry. Okay, I just made 75% of my initial balance. So I started with 2K, now I'm at 3.5, guys. Easy. Okay, risk is not too bad. The trade is still good. You can hold if you want to hold. Just manage the trade. Okay. But are you guys learning right now? Are you guys learning right now? What trades are you on right now? What trades are you on right now? G30, I said, guys, gonna pop off. Nas 100 is another chance for you guys to redeem yourselves. Let's go, baby. Let me see what's happening on Nas 100 on the Onyx scalper. Let's go. And then if you're watching this video and you want these indicators, right? You can get them in two ways. I think there's a link in the description of this video, and you can just go ahead and go and purchase it there from the developers, or you can just send me a DM and then we'll speak English on how to get them. Okay, you speak English on how to get them. Let me see. Okay, Nas 100, guys. Okay, Fibo is telling us to buy right now. Okay, but if you want to be cautious, okay, if you want to be cautious, what you can do is you can wait for the high, the daily high to be broken. Okay, let me just show you what I mean. So now I'm using two different methods, guys. Okay, somebody was asking me the other day, why do you use three different trading systems? Okay, and then my answer to that was, you know, the market moves in different, it behaves differently sometimes. You know, it's not always going to do the same thing. So when the market has a change of behavior, you know, you have to also apply a different method that works in that certain condition. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. That's what I'm doing right now. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. So if maybe you want to be safe and you wanna buy Nas 100, you can put a buy stop here, because Fibo is already telling us that we can buy. But then what you'll need to do is you'll have to manage the trade. Okay, so if you missed all the trades that happened today, here's an opportunity here. Okay, here's an opportunity, but then you'll obviously have to manage the trade by shifting your stop losses when you get into profit. So you can put a buy stop at 15813.1, and then your SL can be 15716.2, and the TP can be 15994. Okay, which it's going to be a pending order. Okay, it's not a market execution, but it's a pending order. The difference between the two, a pending order and a market execution. A market execution is a trade where you click buy or sell. It opens the trade right now. Okay. What I'm talking about right now is a buy stop pending order. Okay, which is a trade that you set. You put in the price where you want the trade to actually open, and then you put the stop loss and the take profit. Okay, so now I'm talking about a pending order, a trade that will open in future when the market price reaches a certain level. All right, so that's what I'm talking about right now. So there's another opportunity there. Okay, you can screenshot it, do whatever, take a picture. All right, because you see why I'm saying, why I'm opting for a later entry is because of these wicks. All right, these tails. You see the candlesticks have these long ass tails. So that's why I'm exercising a bit of caution, okay, because of those wicks. You got me. You got me, guys. I know you got me. Even though you're not talking to me, I know you got me. Okay. Um. Yeah. So basically, guys, the whole reason why I'm also doing this is just to show you how I what I think about when I want to take trades in a live market. So also taking live trades as well. You see, those are the things I consider. All right. There's a lot, but I think you learn as we go. Right. We learn as we go. The more we do these things, the more you learn how to do them. Okay. But that's what's up. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna disconnect now. I've got a bit of a madhouse. My kids are busy wilding out, so I have to go check what's happening. So what I can leave you guys with is, if you're still open, if you still got the US 30 trade open, right? You can still hold that, but just watch it and manage it. Shift the stop losses, all right? Shift the stop losses if you need to, okay? And then NAS 100. Let me pop NAS 100. If you missed all the trades, you still have an opportunity on NAS 100. Okay, buy stop at price level 15813, and then 15716 is the stop loss. 15994 is the take profit. Okay, so you see what I was saying, guys. Like what I said on my TikTok, where people are like, NAS is going up, NAS is going down. Look, it doesn't really matter what we think over the weekend, man. What really matters is where the momentum is going to push. Like when the market opens, US market opens. That's what matters. Everything else is just bullshit. But I'm glad you actually saw that shit live. Okay? So, anyways, guys, I'm gonna disconnect. If you've got any questions, just text me right now. Okay? If you're in any trades, just let me know. Okay? But then, obviously, guys, you have to act quick. Okay? You have to be quick. All right? So, the first thing would be, set up your money management right. Okay? If you've got low capital, right, it wouldn't hurt to split your funds. Okay? Or if you're one of those traders who don't want to have a lot of trading accounts, you have a large trading balance. Okay, make sure that you calculate your stop losses and take profits, and make sure that it doesn't it's not too big of a risk that you're taking on the trades. Okay, it has to make sense. Okay, so you can either manage it with the separate accounts, or with a big account size with proper risk management. Okay, just make sure you have to have that proper risk management over there. Okay. And then once you got your money management correct, then you have to look at the systems and understand what the strategies are saying. Okay, that's very important, guys. Very, very important. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna leave you guys. If you've got any other questions, just let me know on WhatsApp. Let me know on TikTok. Let me know on Instagram. Okay, because I'm not gonna know anything if you don't say anything. Okay. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. Thanks so much for joining up. I made money today. I hope you also
If you're
made money.
looking for passive income with Forex,
You know,
then we're
I
offering.
made money. I hope you guys made money as well. Okay, but there's opportunities. If you missed everything today, there's still gonna be opportunities tomorrow. And the next day, and the next day, and the next day. All right. But anyway, just take this as a learning experience, and then yeah, I'll be seeing you guys maybe later on TikTok. All right, I'm gonna see you guys there at 9 p.m. All right, have a good one, guys. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Good luck, my dudes. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Good luck, my dudes. US 30 is still going, baby. It's still going. I should probably sell signals, guys, honestly. But anyway, guys, thank you so much.